Welcome, parents! My Spanish Software is a comprehensive Spanish language learning system, the most complete available for the education sector. Your son or daughter will practice the 4 primary linguistic skills based on the homework provided by their teacher. It is our pleasure to invite you to learn along with your child. All you need to do is simply register with us. Please send an email to info@myspanishsoftware.com with your name and a telephone number where to reach you, and one of our representatives will get in touch with you. In order to use My Spanish Software, you will need a personal computer or iPad, a USB headset. Your son or daughter will complete the homework at the student portal, which can be found at www.myspanishsoftware.com/estudiante. You will need to have Microsoft Silverlight installed on your personal computer. For those who do not have it already installed, installing Microsoft Silverlight is easy. Just download the file and run the installation wizard. Mac users can try using Safari or Firefox. PC users can try Chrome, Internet Explorer, or Firefox. You need a valid email address in order to retrieve your password. The system will allow you to change your email address as well as your password. You can also choose your preferred interface language. Now let's log in. Enter your email and password. The first time you log into the system, you will be asked to do the Get Started module. This set of activities will show you how the system works. Welcome to the Get Started module. Here, you will learn all the essentials you need to know when working with My Spanish Software. Please note that your teacher will know whether or not you have completed this module. Homework, books, and deadlines. Homework assigned by your teacher. Click the unit name to see the different modules you have to complete. To the left of every module, you can view the accompanying books sections, which you can print if you need to. Every module has a start date and an end date. The module will be green if you are within the start and end dates, yellow when the end date is approaching, and red when you are past due. As long as you are within the start and end dates assigned by your teacher, you can re-access any module and improve its grade. Your grade will not change if you attempt to complete your activities after the end date assigned by your teacher has passed. A percentage of completion and a grade will be displayed for each unit. This grade will be based on the average of all completed modules within a unit. Click the Start button to start your activities. Navigation and grades. Upon starting an activity, read the instructions and complete the activity accordingly. When you complete an activity, you will see how many points you have received. You may redo the activity by clicking the Recycle button, or you may continue on to the next activity. You will be able to see at the bottom how many activities you have completed and how many points you have received. You can come back to any activity and do it again if you want to improve your grade, as long as you are within the start and end dates assigned by your teacher. Tools. There are several tools at your disposal. If you are within an activity and don't know the expected answer, you can click the Respuesta or Answer button. This will give you the expected answer, and you may then redo the activity if you want to get your points. A Spanish-to-Spanish dictionary, a conjugation dictionary, a translation dictionary, and a synonym dictionary are available. There is also a pronunciation tool. Type a word or a sentence, pronounce it, and wait for the feedback. As well as a very useful reading tool, type a word or sentence and listen to it in perfect Spanish.
La casa amarilla.
Finally, there's the recording tool, which allows you to create full recordings that you can send to your teacher. First, pronounce your name, and then complete your presentation. You can download it afterwards in MP3 or WAV format. Drag and drop. Some activities require moving elements from the left-hand column to the right-hand column. First, choose the element you want to move, and then drag it to where you want it. Release it only when you see the yellow rectangle appear. The upper left corner of the rectangle has to touch the desired target location. Writing activities. There are several activities designed to improve your writing skills. While typing, pay attention to capital letters, accents, and punctuation. Type in your answer and then validate it using the white triangle. The system will let you know whether your answer is right or wrong and indicate spelling mistakes and omissions in red. Remember to use the respuesta or answer button if you want to end the exercise or if you want to know what the correct answer is. Speaking activities. Some activities are designed to help you improve your oral skills. If you have not configured your microphone, these activities will be disabled. You may skip them and come back to them when your microphone is configured. In order to configure your microphone, you will need to click the Tools section and complete the steps to get your USB microphone set up. You need a USB microphone to successfully use My Spanish software. Now we are going to calibrate the microphone for PC users. Right-click the speaker icon and select Recording Devices. Here, you will be able to see if your USB microphone is capturing sound. If you don't see the green bars move, double-check that the microphone is not muted. Select your USB microphone and then click Properties. Go to the Levels tab and lower the levels to 35%. If you see a boost option, lower it to 0%. Click OK and then OK again. Mac users need a USB microphone in order to use My Spanish software. The built-in microphone will not work properly. Then, click the Request Permission button. Select Remember My Answer, and then click Yes. Choose the USB headset you want to use. Click Run Test. Finally, listen to the model by clicking the speaker icon. Listen to the pronunciation model by clicking the speaker icon. And then press the microphone button and wait for 1 second before repeating the model. You have to repeat the model while the seconds are running. Then wait for feedback. If you see a green or yellow circle, it means that your microphone is well configured. If the circle is red, pronounce the word again. If it stays red, you may have a defective microphone, or you may need to recalibrate it. Click Support if you need help setting up your microphone. Enter your telephone number and indicate the time you wish to be contacted at. When working on oral activities, the green circle means you have pronounced the word or sentence correctly. The yellow circle means your pronunciation is understandable, although it can be improved. The red circle means you need more practice. Please note that the speech recognition is not perfect. Background noise, microphone level, and sensitivity will play a role in the final result. Teacher-graded activities. There are some activities that are graded by the teacher. These are open-ended questions that you need to answer in written or oral composition. Once you have completed the activity, click the Send to the Teacher button. A validation window will appear, indicating that your answer has been sent to the teacher. Points earned on this activity will depend on how your teacher evaluates your work. Because these questions are graded by your teacher, you will not see points immediately upon completion. You may come back later on and see how many points you got and the teacher's comments. Support. If at any time you have questions or difficulties, you can reach us by clicking on the support button. You will know when you have been answered when the envelope turns green. Expect an answer within 1 business day. If you want to be contacted by phone, enter your telephone number and the best time to reach you at. Congratulations! You are now ready to successfully use My Spanish software.